Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a pad command in CATIA. Use a pad command in CATIA and drawing a CATIA practice tutorial first. Today discuss here CATIA practice tutorial first and all is drawing. You can see here this is a isometric view, and this diagram is very helpful for beginner students and we who learn a CATIA software. Okay, and this is a only practice CATIA software. This diagram is only practice used in CATIA software, and today discuss here CATIA practice tutorial first. Okay, this is a isometric view design is complete here, and first drawing a front view. This is a front view, and this is a right view, this is a left view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter, and three view is drawing. You can see here front view, top view, and left view. Okay, at first this design is created, and this is a today learn and drawing this design is in CATIA software. Okay, at first CATIA software open. Okay, at first this is our CATIA software interface, and this drawing, this 3D parts is drawing today. Okay, at first select a plane is a top plane. This is a top plane, and top plane is select here, and okay, at first this is a front view. At first 190, at first drawing a rectangle, and length is 190 and height is 130. Okay, and this is a circle is diameter is 80, and okay, a rectangle is drawing here. Okay, and dimension is okay 190, and this is a 130. Okay, 130. Okay, this is a drawing here, and exit, and this is a pad. Use a pad. Okay, and the pad is a 40 millimeter, and this design is, this 3D design is created. Use a command is pad in CATIA software. Okay, 40, and you can see here this is a preview is showing here. This is a preview, and this is okay, and select a okay. Next point you can see here, this is a, this height is drawing. Okay, and the height is a 120. Okay, at first at first select this and okay, this is a height is okay. This is a okay, this face is select and a sketch. Okay, and select a rectangle. Okay, this is a this, okay, and this point and this point is a coincident, okay, and this line and this line is a, okay, okay, and this line is also, this line is a coincident, okay, and this line is also coincident, okay, okay, and this height is a 120, okay, exit, this is a, this, okay, all is green color is a fully defined, this drawing is fully defined, green color is a, this drawing is fully defined, this is a exit and pad, and this point is a, you can see here, reverse, this is a reverse direction is used, okay, this is a correct, preview is correct, and next point is drawing here, next point is fillet is used, and this is a circle drawing and diameter is 80, and this is a rectangle is drawing length and height, length is 80 and height is 70, okay, length is 70 and height is 80, okay, drawing here, this face select and drawing a circle, this is a drawing a circle, okay, and diameter is a, this is diameter is a 80, okay, and exit, okay, this is a use a pocket and revo, preview is showing here and okay, and next this face is select here, sketch nor, okay, select a, use a rectangle and height is, this is a length is, and this double, okay, click here and this is a, okay, double click here and this is length is 70 and height is 80 and height is 80, okay, this is a correct, and this is a exit, use a pocket, and pocket use a, you can see here, pocket use drawing a some little 25, only 25, and fillet is use a radius 5, okay, this is a 25, okay, and all is a, okay, and all is a fillet use, as fillet use a, and fillet is radius is 5 mm, this face and this face select here and click okay, and also this face and this face is click here okay, and back side you can say here okay, correct, back side is a correct, all view is a correct, this is also use a, this point is a 5 okay, and color is pink color and this is a blue color okay, and some drawing here pad is okay, this is a property and graphic, and this is a graphic, and this is pink color, apply okay, Okay, next is a pad. This is a blue color. Right click, and this drawing, and this property is pop up, and this property is mechanical and graphic. This is use a click a graphic. Okay, okay, this is a blue color is use. Okay, okay, and also use a color. All palette is a green color. Okay, this fillet and this fillet and this fillet use a this property, right click, and this a green color. Okay, okay, also pink, and this is a and last is a this perfect perfect pocket, and pocket here, this pocket is a okay fillet pocket. Okay, okay, and this pocket is, and okay, color is fulfill, and this right click and property is use a extra color is used, and this is a green color. Okay, and also red color is used. Red color is very okay, this is a red color. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is zoom point, and all is correct, and this is a all is correct. Okay, okay, this point is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, 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 guys, next lecture CATIA practice tutorial 2 is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel, like and share. Okay guys, thank you.